just like looking at Facebook Marketplace, and I found out. I mean, I actually, if you're wondering where's my gun, well, I actually sold almost everything except I bought this random truck, and it was very cheap, $9. I don't know who would sell a truck for $9, but this one's great. And as I was looking through, I saw a combo pack. It said car and trailer pack. So I thought, I rang him up. He said it's available right now, so I'm gonna go pick it up, and we're gonna see what car is it. We'll test out the car, but now that we're already in the car, in our truck, let's go pick it up. So, this truck is quite unstable, so, yeah. This truck is quite unstable. Very unstable. Like, it can jump. Believe it or not, it can jump. Very uneven road, a lot of snow. Not helping. Yeah. So, pretty cold out here since it's like the snow is like 2 inches basically. That's quite a lot for some snow. Once there was like 10 inches of snow. So we're gonna go pick the truck up, the vehicles up, and we'll test them to see if they're good. And yeah, that'll be it. We're gonna drive on the snow since it's better. At least, kind of all those cars. Hope mine doesn't look like that. I'll take it home and see how it works. I'll take it to my main garage. Because right now I'm on a 1-day vacation. To just, relax a little and then get back to work. Since, well... Here, I'm gonna go talk to the guy, and we'll see if he accepts the trades. So, he says he's in this building, so I'll talk to him and tell him if he accepts. So, he said it would be over. He gave me a discount of like it was like 10,000, but he gave me 50% off, so I just have to pay 5,000, which I did, and now I can take it home. And I had to sign a contract. I don't know what was it for. But he said it was very important, so I can actually own it. But, yeah. He said the contract was for the property contract. So people know it's my property, which, yeah, alright. It is useful information, but, like, I don't know, they wouldn't know it's my property since I bought it, but I mean, alright. Now we're gonna have to drive a little slower. There's many potholes on the bridge and everywhere, you know. Gotta go this way. This way, this way. Alright, we're driving pretty far. Oh god. Ouch. Oh my god. It's pretty cold outside, so my nose is a little blocked off, so I'm talking like this, but yeah. This is very bouncy road. So we're gonna have to climb over the rocks. I know this isn't a rock climber, but like, I don't know what else to do, since I remember that's the path that I went to. Actually, no, I didn't. That was a different path. I lied. Yeah. Somehow I forgot. Oh. I think it's on the other side. Let's go. Oh, goddamn. Maybe we can go over this mountain. Oh. That's unusual. Yeah, we cannot go over the mountain. I don't think... Yeah, there's no entrance. So, I'll tell you when I find the entrance. I'll tell you when I find the entrance. So, alright, so I found the path, and, yeah, I think this is where I went. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. This is where I went. Can't wait to see what the car is. So we're just gonna park this new trailer. I like it. I'm gonna park it right here. Attach. We're gonna... Holy crap. Wait. I need to get a good look of this beast. Whoo, sheesh. Also, I didn't tell y'all, but I actually bought another car. I'll show you it later. But let's test this thing out. Well, first we have to go somewhere else. I'll be right back when we get to that place. Alright, I'm here. So, apparently I had to jump out of a plane, which was pretty scary. But they landed a plane here, just to lure my car, which... Alright, I get it. So now let's, park. And, detach trailers, swap cars. We're in. This thing looks pretty fast. I actually have been here before, and, if y'all didn't know, I mistook this grass place as like one of the tracks. And I somehow jumped over one of the places. So we're gonna try and do that again. Oh. God, I failed. This thing's pretty quick. Now there's one real way on how to test the speed. Well, let me show you. Let me just get it slow down. Alright, slow down. Alright, so we're gonna go here. And then we're gonna drive. We'll just drive. Holy crap, this thing goes almost 200 miles an hour. Whew. Quicker than ever. I mean, not that I ever had this thing, but like, it's quick. Like with nitrous, it goes supersonic speeds. Alright, guys. This thing works perfectly. So, yeah. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you enjoy the next one, and see ya. Bye.